Raton nga Gospel, ginbuo sa Gospel of Mark, chapter 3, verses 31 to 35. Prior to this Gospel passage, hayro incident. Si Jesus made many miracles. But people, instead of thanking God for the miracles that happened, they criticized Jesus, saying that Jesus was crazy. Buang si Jesus. And because of that, the news, this negative news and views about Jesus ay nasairan ni Mama Mary. Hindi ang ni Mama Mary, kundi ko anang family. Nga si Jesus, bisan pa naghimo manami agmayad sa isig katawo, hay may mga negative gihapon nga ginhambal kontra kana. So, this gospel passage then is the result of that incident. Nga ni si Mary, the mother of Jesus, agro family nana, hay nag-adto kay Jesus para bugon si Jesus from the crowd. Agod iuli sa bagay. Why? Bangodwa man na ila roy siya kananay, nga roan ang unga, i-expose sa danger. Abi, kamong gasimba, ang kamong gatanaw TV sa nga misa. Sino kayo naila nga magpabuot-buot sa mga tao nga tapos yo bungon, tapos yo pakanon, tapos yung amigohon, hay siging libak gihapon. They are dangerous people. It's better to have one friend than those friends nga akala mo friends mo gali hay traidor. And that's why Mama Mary would like to take Jesus away from that community, from that crowd. Pero maadtoan niya ako sa mga particulars ay masakit niya ako maghambal, pero may mga binobo nga translation idaya nga gospel. Why Father binobo? Because here it has been mentioned the mother of Jesus and his brothers arrive at the house. Haman Father binobo? Because some Christians, not Catholics, interpreted this nga si Mama Mary may mga unga pa after ginunga si Jesus. But that is against our belief as a Catholic regarding the perpetual virginity of Mama Mary. Because si Saint Joseph, he knew that Mama Mary was chosen by God. He knew that Mama Mary was dedicated to God. Hindi magtabing si San Jose kay Mama Mary. So Father explained, haman iya ginambal nga brothers. Because sa word nga Hebrew, ag sa word nga Greek, wa kita it may makita nga cousins. First cousin, second cousin, third cousin, they are all considered brothers and sisters. O, para may twist kamong masayran. How do we define neighbor in today's world? Pag magambag at neighbor, kapitbahay. But that is not the translation in the Bible. When we say neighbor, love your neighbor, ano ron? Any person who is not you is your neighbor. That's why hindi kapitbahay. Ibaro word sa Bible, ibaro atong dictionary. Kaya nga di ginamba ko, binobo. Haman, if you want to read the Hebrew text, if you want to read the Greek text of the Bible, gamit taro dictionaryo it Hebrew. Gamit taro dictionaryo it Greek. Hay English dictionary gamiton. Natural brothers kadugo. But in Hebrew and in Greek, brothers and sisters are those cousins has a third degree. Now, kung matuod nga may unga si Mama Mary, Aside kay Jesus, kung ginambag niya sa gospel, the mother of Jesus and the other children of Mary. Hay wa man ginambag the other children of Mary? Ginambag niya, brothers of Jesus. Oh, sa Couples for Christ, kung maiyang Couples for Christ, mag-asawa sanda. Haman do tawag na si brother, husband, sister, wife. Oh, hay magbanghod baga sa dang nag-asawa? Hindi. Sa Franciscan Order, kay St. Francis of Assisi, aman ang tawag si Brother Moon ag si Sister Sun. Haman magkadugo si Francis of Assisi agro Sun agro Moon. So that's why it is all about terminology. So hindi kita magayo kara. Now because of that, the mother of Jesus and his brothers arrive at the house ag ginusoy na si Jesus. Pagkatapos ginambal, it crowd. Your mother and your brothers and your sisters are outside asking for you. Kita niyo ro crowd? According to the gospel, the mother of Jesus and his brothers arrived. Pero ro crowd, naghambal kay Jesus. Your mother and your brothers and your sisters are outside asking for you. Ano ra? Daya gapakita katon, it message relay. Hindi tanan nga ginasugid katon eksakto. May dugang ag may buhin. Nga it's better to go back to the real source. Ginsugid it crowd nga may sister si Jesus. Pero nag-abot yamang brother and mother. So kara makita ta, pero mga chismoso ag chismosa, hindi gang makaron na tabo. May iyaman yagi sa Bible, nagadugang-dugang pastorya. And the crowd, daya ro mga magapit kay Jesus, ngaruan ang isip, may makita sandang saga. So always remember that, my dear friends, being a Catholic. Hindi tanan sa palibot naton, mayad nga tawo. Hindi tanan sa sugod at simbahan, mayad nga tawo. Ngani, mag-ingat-ingat ka. Because sometimes, some people would only tend to look at the negative side of you. Mauraron. Bisan niya ni si Jesus, biktima man. Now, ginamba iya ni Jesus. He said to them in reply, who are my mother and my brothers? Ano ginaba na? Here are my mother and my brothers, for whoever does the will of God. Ano ro para kay Jesus? Para kay Jesus, the relationship is not about by blood. The relationship is not by sanguinity or, shall we say, ro atong pag-igbata. Kundi ro, blood relationship ay higher than that is our faith in God. Our faith in God. Ngani para kay Jesus, tanan kitang gapati ka na, we are called children of God. We are brothers and sisters. Agbangod ka ra, daya ro sa katanit relationship. Now, I will end my homily with this reflection. Isip itibang Katoliko, abisan ka mo yagasimba, hindi ka mo maakig kakon. At least ay 1 year lang yung tiis kakon kung sakali man. Ay after 1 year ay reshuffling man. Abi ko, ibang mga Katoliko, pag magsugod sa simbahan, ang mga muyo makapagangit. Abi ko, ibang Katoliko, kung magbunyag, magkalawat, makapalangit. No. No. Religion is not about doctrine. Religion is not about dogma. Religion is not about sitting there. Religion is about relationship. Relationship. Tanaw ba ang greatest commandments? Love God. Love your neighbor. Love your enemy. Love yourself. Ano ro love? Love is an action word. It's a verb. Hindi imaw noun. Paghamba ni Jesus, love one another. Haman love. Because the basis of our relationship is love. Because the source of love is God. So, ro atong religion, that's why the word religion, relegare. Arapagid. Wa man gag-isip it uwo. Ro mga ibang sekta. Religion ka, never save ko, no? But do they know what is the meaning of religion? Legare. Re means again. Legare means to bind. To bind oneself again to God. Dahil sa saya, nabugto ro atong love affair. So because of that, religion ay magbalik loob, magbalik gugma, magbalik hayad sa Diyos. That's why religion can save. Why? Because religion means the broken relationship ay nagmend, nag-uulian kita. Because Jesus has saved us already, now the love story continues. So I hope and I pray, my dear friends, hindi ka mo magpinalakpak, ay manami magsermon ro pari. Hindi ka mo magpalakpak, ay gwapo ro pari. Hindi ka mo magpalakpak, ay cute ro pari o kabutbut ro pari. Magpalakpak ka mo if you know how to establish good relationships with people and with God.